Just mix it with hot water and you're never going to buy it again after learning this recipe. Start by adding 400 grams of flour to some boiling water. Now I already added 2 tablespoons of salt to this water along with 2 tablespoons of oil. Now you want to sift that flour well before adding it into the water. Now just give it a good stir and mix everything together. When your dough is nice and thick and it's hard to stir, it's well cooked and it's ready. Turn off the heat and we're going to place this onto a table. Now with the help of our handy dandy rolling pin, we're going to roll this out until it's nice and thin. Once it's all rolled out to your liking, we are going to spread a little bit of butter over the dough like this, and then we can start rolling this up lengthwise. Once it's all rolled up and looks something like this, we are going to cut this dough into 2-inch thickness pieces. I'm just going to use my fingers to measure, just like this. Now when all your dough is cut up, we're going to shape our dough with our hands like this. Then place this back onto the table and we're going to roll it out again with our rolling pin. Now roll these out to your preferred size. Once it looks something like this, we can now fill it. So I'm going to be filling mine with some ham, cheese, tomato, and oregano. But you can season these however you want to. Then we're going to close up the dough and press the edges down with the help of a fork. Just like this. It looks like a dumpling. Now, if your dough is too large, you can cut it with a knife. Set that aside. We're going to repeat the process with all the dough. And once they're all prepared and all finished, the next step, of course, is frying. Now, if you want to, you can bake these or you can fry them in oil. It's up to you. I'm going to be baking mine. So place them on a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And I added a little oil onto the parchment paper as well. After placing all your pastries, we're going to brush them with a good amount of some beaten egg yolks. Spread that well. It's going to help make our pastries nice and golden. Now you can fill these pastries with anything, chicken, pepperoni, or honestly whatever you want. They are so versatile. You can also make a vegan filling and that would be perfect too. But I'm telling you, you have to make these at home. You can serve these for any meal. Lunch or dinner would be perfect. But once you try this recipe, you're never going to buy pastries again. They are that good. With just a few ingredients, your recipe is ready to go. So just spread those egg yolks around all over the pastries. Then I'm going to sprinkle with a few white sesame seeds on top. Of course, this ingredient is completely optional. You can even use some black sesame seeds or any other toppings you want to. Now we're going to bake these. So these are going to go in at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. All right, and just like that, our pastries are baked. They are ready to go. They look so delicious. Let's take them off the baking sheet and place them onto a plate. See how easy it is to make pastries at home and how quickly they come together. Now, if you bake these, there's no need to fry, so they're a little bit healthier, but they turn out well filled. They're so wonderful. A perfect recipe worth trying at home.